Hello YouTube, it's Iconic Web Designers here with another video, and on this video I'm going to be showing you how to add Instagram, the plugin, to your WordPress website. It's really easy, so just watch these steps and I'll show you how to do it. So first things first, you're going to need to log into your WordPress admin, and as soon as you log in, you just scroll down to your plugins section. So I should really update my plugins here, but just click add new. Then scroll down, then just type in Instagram feed. Then you want to download this one here. Click activate. And once it's been activated, you should see Instagram feed here. So if you click here, basically go on your settings. Now there's two ways you can There's two ways that you can add your Instagram to your WordPress website. If it's your own personal website, your own personal Instagram, and you have the login details and you want to connect it, all you need to do is just click this button and just connect your Instagram. It's that simple. You just add your login details. But if you don't have like login details for the Instagram that you want to connect, and maybe it's your clients, you're going to send them this link, Instagram feed with Smashballoon. So all you have to do is click on this button and make sure you click personal profile and click connect. And automatically, obviously your client will have to log into their Instagram, and they should get like an access token, right? So you just copy the access token. Then all you have to do on the plugin is click manually collect an account and just copy and paste the access token. Then you want to collect the user ID as well. This is for my personal Iconic Web Designers Instagram account. Then you can see here it's connected. Then also, if you want to like customize it and whatnot, like the layout, go to customize here. I don't want too much of my post showing, so I'm just going to click free in the columns of free as well, because I want a maximum of 3 photos on my Instagram website. And one thing I like about this plugin, that it updates. So the more photos you post on Instagram, it updates on your website automatically as well. So now to embed this Instagram plugin, it's pretty straightforward. You just click here, highlight this. That's basically your shortcode. And I don't know if you saw, but I've basically made my layout already for my Instagram. So if I go back onto the back end, you can do it through this way if you want. Visit site, then click edit page. However you normally edit your pages, you can do it through that way, visit site, edit page, or you can do it through pages. But like I say to all my viewers, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up on Instagram or the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So this is my homepage. If you just scroll down to where you want to embed the Instagram post, it's actually here. You can see follow our Instagram. Then what I do is, all you need to do is add a raw code or a text block. Either one is fine. So I'm going to write add raw code and just embed the Instagram feed, and just obviously align it where you want it to go. Then click update. So that's published now, as you can see. And if I go on to my page, it should be that. All right, perfect. So that's my Instagram. Like I said, it's that straightforward to add the Instagram onto your website. Literally download the plugin Instagram feed, and it's the first one that you see, the Smash Balloon one. And all you need to do is configure it the way I showed you, and add the shortcode onto your page, on the back end of your page. So if you like this, please follow us. We do post daily. We do post some web designs as well. And we do post a lot of other stuff as well. So, daily content, a lot of self-motivation content, teaching you about web design and web development. We specialize in apps, we specialize in websites, and we specialize in financial literacy as well. We build, we create, and we motivate others to be better and do better. So if you like us, please follow us for more content. And until the next video.